Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Apple developer account with 2FA, a production provisioning profile, and a signed app build. Once done, increment your build number and set the bundle ID to match your App Store record. Make sure you export an App Store-ready IPA from Xcode using the correct provisioning profile and code signing. Also prepare metadata now: a concise app name, subtitle, and a clear privacy policy, URL, so you won't stall later in App Store Connect. You next log into App Store Connect and create a new app record tied to your bundle ID. Once created, fill metadata fields, long description, keywords, support and marketing URLs, and categorize your app. Then upload builds using Xcode's Organizer or Apple Transporter. After upload, select the build in your app version and attach screenshots for all required device sizes. Make sure to enter age rating and privacy answers accurately, because they determine availability and review scope. You finish by choosing a release option: manual, automatic upon approval, or a scheduled date, then submit for review. Once submitted, monitor app review and respond if Apple asks for clarification or additional info. If rejected, read the reviewer note carefully, fix the specific issue, increment the build number, upload a new build, and resubmit. Don't guess. As a troubleshooting tip, if a rejection is unclear, use App Store Connect's Resolution Center to request screenshots or video evidence and ask for a reevaluation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.